Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video will be about the iPhone 16e and why I swapped from the iPhone 16 Pro and the iPhone 16 Pro Max. So let's figure it out. Let's go. So all started at September. I bought the iPhone 16 Pro Max. When it came out, I was happy with it. Everything is perfect. After I decided to try the new Honor Magic 7 Pro, which is released on January, and it was another perfect phone. It's like a high-end flagship. It's no problem with it. The Samsung S25 Ultra came out on the next month, so I decided to try that as well. And I like it. I like the UI. I like everything, except it's not really much difference from the 24 Ultra, but still. Then later, the Apple has revealed this one, the iPhone 16e, with one camera on the back, with 16 Hz display. So why I just go there and I leave the flagship ones? Because the size, because the design, because the battery. That's the honest opinion of this phone. So I love it. I love the display. I know it's 60 Hz. I know it's nothing extra, no high, big brightness level or HDR or something. It's just readable on the sun, so it's no problem at all. Like, you can see everything, you can read details, you can scroll up the Facebook, the social media, whatever, watching videos, you can do everything. Yeah, it's not as bright as the Pro Max or any Android phones, but it's do the job. And the price, it's overpriced. Yeah, it's overpriced. In the UK here now is $5.99 GBP, but you can get it now cheaper from resellers or even on the marketplace eBay. So you can get it for a fair price. This model from MTechNI, so link in the description. He have a lot of phones and everything stuff you can found there, like the new iPhones, older iPhones, very good condition phones, very good prices, iPods, Samsung. So just check on the link below, and if you want to buy a new phone, I highly recommend that MTechNI. The design, I love the design. The design is so good. So it's so thin, you see. I don't want to go like now the technical parameters, because it's already everybody know what is this phone, and as the reviewers say, it's like not recommended, you know. And yeah, I understand absolutely. For that price you can get on Android side a lot of more powerful phone, even the Poco F7 Pro, Poco F7 Ultra, the Xiaomi's. So this £600, it's quite high for that phone, but you can love it. It depends on you, what you want from a phone. You want the triple camera with a telephoto lens, with a ultra wide lenses, then no, then skip it. Then you will not happy with that phone, absolutely. But if you enough a main camera, which is it's enough for the social media or just showing pictures for your family or your friends what you've done on a holiday or stuff like that, that's enough, absolutely enough. It depends on you, as I said, so depends what you need. I had a lot of phone last year, like 17 phones. I tried because I love the phones. I love to try them and check, but by the end of the day, I always end up with an iPhone. And it was the Pro Max models or the Pro models in the last few years, but first time I like this one. It's so comfortable. It's like one-handed, light, so you can just put on your pocket and you not feel you have a massive big 300 grams with cases. iPhone 16 Pro Max example, because it's heavy phone, it's massive phone. Yeah, it's much better like you sitting down on your couch and you scrolling and wow. But a lot of people I think don't don't care about the 120 Hz or the telephoto camera. If you want telephoto camera and better camera, you just don't buy the iPhone 16 Pro Max, just skip it. Just rather go for the Oppo or the OnePlus, the Vivo, or everything else, just not the 16 Pro Max. Yes, it's good camera, absolutely, but compared to them, none. I not recommended for that price. You can get now for cheaper price a much better camera setup if you're looking for camera setup. Actually, if you're looking for a camera setup, I highly recommend the Vivo X200 Pro, because that phone is just, I think at the moment this is the best now. But still, even if I will buy the new Oppo Find X8 Ultra, I will skip this phone, because for the main driver, for go to the work, for go to the gym or whatever, I just want an iPhone iOS feel in my pocket with a small one-handed experience. And another phone, it could be, you know, like a holiday phone, or if you want to make pictures or whatever. But for a main phone, that's a very good option. And the price, yes, as I said before, now you can get cheaper. But still you can get much reliable phone on Android side, like a better camera, better battery, better display. But you know what? This battery actually quite surprising. I can say, like, I had the 16 Pro Max, as I said, and it was like a one day usage. So it was alright. But that one, that's a magic. It's 1.5 days, no problem running at all. And yeah, the charging speed, it's like a normal iPhone-ish. 1 hour, 10 minutes, let's say. But I never go up to 100%. I just set my battery to 95%, so just keep the battery health longer. And I can say I will use this phone as a main driver. I don't know how long, but I'm very curious about the iPhone 17 Air, because I like the new design, and you know what, if I want better camera and better display, I go for the Android side, even if I'm a fanboy. So every year I get the new iPhone actually. And this one is just so good, like that's good phone, absolutely. If you want it, I recommend it. And I say, don't listen to reviews or don't listen people what they say. You know, sometimes you just see a mobile like this, like you just see how it looks, the color, the design and everything, and you want it, just go for it. You know, if you have money for that, go for it. Yes, you can get more. Yes, you can get better. But why? Why you should do that? Because you go to the YouTube and watching and somebody say, don't buy the iPhone 16e. You know, they not recommended. And you just change your mind. But on your first sight, you wanted that phone because how it looks. And there is people like buying phone because how it looks. Yes, like me, example. I just, you know, I don't care the games. I don't care the benchmarks, the numbers of the Antutu, of the Geekbench and stuff. I don't care. I care the phone, it's running well, and it served me like as I want. Plus, I want the phone the best for me. So, and yes, it's very strange. It has one camera. It's like 2025, hello, one camera. And yes, it's so good, it's so refreshing. Not these big bumps, you know. Example, this is the Xiaomi 14 Ultra. Look at that size. It's huge. And this is a big camera. And yeah, much better camera than the 16e, that's 100%. But still, I just love this small vibe. This is beautiful. And probably you're thinking about why the hell I speaking that so much and like stuff like that. Because I love phones. I always loved them because we are living in the phone world from long ago, and every day we spend times with the phones. And I don't know, it was a hobby, addiction maybe, but better than drugs, no? So what iPhone 16e can offer to you? Not much. Honestly, not much. But enough. Enough if you are not looking the top, you're not looking the big cameras, the 120 Hz display, the big batteries. It's enough. I recommend it absolutely everyone who like this phone, design, and who can afford it. Because I can't say it's bad phone. It's overpriced, yeah. But you know what? If you have the money and you like, then buy it. Go for it. You will not regret. Because you know everything, the information, the technical information, sorry. You can check on YouTube, like, you can check on Apple side, what it can offer, what's the specs, the parameters of everything. That's why I don't want to tell you, because it doesn't matter. By the end of the day, you don't care the numbers. You care how it feels, how it looks, and what the people say. But a lot of people just get angry because the Apple released a higher price, a lower phone. It's actually a 14 iPhone case, and they get angry. Why? Why? I don't know. I don't know why everybody say, not everybody, but most of them say it's like a not worth phone, is the test phone of the year. No. Try to use it, you will love it. And what case I will using, what protection I using for this phone? So actually I get a screen protector from Amazon. Screen protector, nothing extra. But for the case side, I using the Taurus Osten Fitness Air. It's a 360-degree magnetic. So as you can see, you can put your phone how you want down. So it's like 100%. It's very sturdy. It's a frosted clean, so you can see your phone's color. And it's just like a grip. Here it's absolutely not slippery and very, very high quality one. I like the design as well. It's especially for that iPhone white one. It's so good. So if you just sit your phone, so you just fit your phone and fit perfectly. It's how it should be. It's beautiful design, absolutely I recommend it. I will put in the link below the description so you can buy yourself if you like it. You just put down the phone like that. If you want landscape as well, you can do that. So it's perfect. I always using Taurus cases because I think this is the best quality for iPhones. So if you want, just get one. You will find the link below the description and you can order for yourself one. And look how beautiful is the phone with that case. It's like just unreal, lovely. It's not a bulky, not heavy, but it's very, very absolutely sturdy. So good. And that's it. That was just came from my heart, and I want to share this experience with you. Thanks for watching this video, and if you like it, just go ahead and buy it. Doesn't matter what everybody say. It's matter what you feel, what you think, what you like. If you like the design, if you like, just go ahead and buy it and you will love it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.